Hello there! Welcome to this tutorial about the Christmas wreath card. Christmas is a wonderful time of the year with beautiful decorations in and around the house. On my blog you can find photo instructions and a printable template for this card. Just click on the link in the video description. Since you might want to make multiple Christmas cards to send to your family and friends, we're gonna use shape templates. This way you can make multiple cards in a fair amount of time. Decide if you want to make your own template or if you prefer to download one. Let's get started! For the Christmas wreath, you will need 1 or 2 round-shaped objects of different sizes. Put them on your card to see if they fit. I used a jar lid and a washi tape which fits inside of it. Save some space at the bottom for the text Merry Christmas. You can either write it or stamp it like I did. Let's make the first shape, the Christmas wreath. Grab a sheet of paper and fold it twice. I use grid paper, so it's easy to see if the shape's symmetrical. Draw a quarter circle from the folded area of the paper. In the quarter circle itself, you draw another quarter circle which is about half its size. Draw curves on both circles for a playful Christmas wreath look. Drawing guidelines can help you to draw symmetrical curves. Cut out the wreath shape. And fold the shape. It may help to flatten the shape with scissors. Place the wreath shape on a sheet of green paper. Trace the shape with a pencil. Then cut out the green wreath shape with a craft knife or scissors. Now it's time to design a bow shape. You can reuse the white or grid paper of the wreath shape. We're gonna draw 3 elements: the bow, knot and ribbon ends. Regarding the bow and knot, draw half of its shape from the fold. Cut it out and unfold it. The ribbon end doesn't have to be drawn from the fold. Just draw it somewhere on the paper and cut it out. If needed, you can repeat the step a couple of times till you get a nice set. Trace the 3 bow shapes on a sheet of red paper. The ribbon end shape needs to be traced twice. You can flip the shape before tracing it a second time, so you'll have ribbon end shapes in 2 different directions. Then cut out all shapes. Stick the bow shapes together by using glue or double-sided adhesive tape. Then attach the bow onto the wreath shape. Now decorate the wreath to give the real Christmas look. Stick the golden, white and red pearls onto the wreath. For the finishing touch, let's stamp the text Merry Christmas on the bottom side of the card. Take your card and unfold it. I used a combination of clear stamps and a stamp press. This way I can aim where the text should appear. Clear stamps can sometimes turn yellow over time, but they still work fine. Ink your stamps well with black ink. Check where the text should appear and stamp it. If you're using a stamp press, make sure the pressure is equal everywhere. Put 3D foam pads on the backside of the wreath. Then carefully attach the wreath to the card's front side above the stamped text. Your card is ready! Tip: use the shape templates again to make many more Christmas wreath cards. Merry Christmas! Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Happy crafting!